Hi, today I'm going to talk about our Costway portable wash machine. Um, you can see I have all the hoses and everything just sitting on top. I have it sitting on some shelving from Lowe's. If you have a bathtub, you will need to raise this washer, as most portable washers, because most of them are gravity fed. Our washer has a spin cycle on it. But I'm going to show you how to hook this up and how to use this. I'm going to make this video in parts so I can hook everything up and show you how to use this washing machine. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now if you look in here, we have a bathtub. This is a gravity drain unit. What I have it hooked up to my shower, so we can still use our shower when we need to. The drain is running in the bathtub. This actually has a lot of power behind it when it drains, so I have it held down with a pair of vice grips. Now if you have a shower, it does come with a hose, but since I have our washer, well, basically around the wall in the other room, I need to add a little length to it. Now up here is how we hook it up. You have a shower head diverter right here. You have a union, 1/2 inch. It screws off and on here. This piece stays on right here. This piece screws off. You have a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch that goes to a water hose. Well, basically it goes to the wash machine hose. Now, the union will let you have your shower or the water go through here. Okay. And let's see. I believe that right there is yeah, that goes to the washer. Okay. Now I'm just going to use cold water, and I'm going to show you how to use this wash machine and how much soap you're going to need and how I actually do laundry. Alright, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to show you how much laundry soap this actually takes. I hope you can see this. It's just a small amount. Okay, I also put in fabric softener. Goes just below the first line. To use this washer, you hit power. Now I'm going to show you the stages before I start washing. Hit power, water level. I usually wash on 10. Now program controls this section here. Alright, anything that has a solid light is a wash cycle. Normal, heavy, soft, fast. Alright, and this over here has a wash cycle on the second one down. I'm not sure what it does because I've really never used it, but I usually just wash it on normal. Now if it's blinking, it's on this side. Right now it's on soak. That's some type of wash. I believe it's some kind of fast wash. I don't know. Like I said, I've never used that. That's spin. Puts it on a 6-minute spin cycle, and that's a 40-minute air drying. Okay, but we want it on wash. Normal wash, 41 minutes. My water level is, of course, 10. And then hit the start button. Alright. And I usually wash everything on cold water. And what I do is I let it fill up a little bit in the bottom, just to where the water's covering the bottom. Then I put in my soap and my fabric softener. And I will be back, and you see all our clothes here. I'll be back to show you how much this will hold. Okay? Alright. I have all our clothes in. And you can see it holds quite a bit. This is all one load. depends on how big of a person you are, but depending on how much it holds. My girlfriend wears a 3 to 4X XL in women's, which is, I believe, like a 52 in men's. I wear a 34 to 36 in men's. I have a pair of my pants, some shorts of hers. Most of this stuff in here is hers. I did wash the other day. I usually wash once to twice a week, and it does a really good job. Alright, once it starts, I'll come back and show you what it looks like while it's running. Alright, bye. Okay, it's filling up. It should be pretty close to being full. This does have an automatic sensor in it, so if it doesn't have enough water, it does add more water. It's a very, very powerful wash machine. Also has a lens screen over there, you can see it. It does have to be emptied after every wash. I mean, you saw all the clothes that were in my basket, and this is washing it very well. It does not take a lot of soap to wash with this. When we purchased this, we purchased it off of eBay. Okay, we got a really good deal on it, brand new. It does come with a drain hose, like I said, but to use the drain hose, you have to be really close to your shower, your bathtub. Whatever you do, do not try to drain one of these wash machines in your sink or your bathroom sink. It definitely will overflow. It just puts out a lot of water at one time. Like I said, it does not have a water pump on it. It's all gravity drain. That's why I have my hose ran from here into the bathtub. It does dump very quickly. It is very powerful. Like I say, it's a Costway. Now there are other brands that you can purchase offline off of eBay that basically do the same thing. Like I say, we paid, when we bought this, we paid $199 for it with free shipping. We also bought the extended 3-year warranty on this. These usually only come with a 90-day warranty. We purchased a 3-year extended square tray warranty for another $29. So basically we got a wash machine with a 3-year warranty for $230. It does hold quite a bit of clothes. It is extremely powerful, and it's extremely lightweight. I can move this by myself. If you have it only a shower and you can't have it close to the shower, buy one of these little furniture dollies, or just make something, to set it on, to raise it up high enough to drain in the shower, and you can carry this back and forth. I mean, it's that light. It weighs probably 60 pounds, maybe. It does, like I said, it does come with a drain hose. In fact, here's the drain hose right here. Let me hook this up right here, and you can see it's not very long. I'd say it's like 3 foot. And since I had to go way more than 3 foot, I actually put another drain hose on it for a regular wash machine. And I actually had to add an extra hose and hook 2 together to actually reach our shower head. And I wanted a lot of people to see this working, because you buy these on eBay, you buy them offline. This is one of the cheaper brands. We've had this well over a year. We've used it every single week, even in the winter. We've never had a problem with it. Never had a problem with it leaking. The drain hose itself can be set up to drain off of either side. So if you have to put the drain hose on the other side, there's a small back panel you can get into that you can switch your hoses to either side. And it's a really good wash machine. Like I said, Costway is not the only brand that you find on eBay. This is one of the easier ones to use. I've already showed you how to use it. I don't want this video to be too long because I am going to have a parts list with this video. So you know what extra stuff you will need. We actually spent another $30, I believe, $40 maybe for the parts. Some stuff I did buy off eBay. Some stuff I did buy from our local hardware store, like Ace, Lowe's, Home Depot. But like I said, some of this stuff you will not need if you're close enough to your drain. If you can just drain it outside through a hole in the wall, or if you're close enough to your shower, you could set it up on bricks or something, or just build a little stand for it, or put it on one of these rolling furniture dollies that you can move it back and forth. As long as it's higher than the drain, it will drain. Okay, and it is very powerful when it drains. Like I say, if you're close enough, you're definitely going to need a water hose. The hose that comes with this is a quick connect hose with fittings. They do not fit anything. I tried looking for other fittings to make it fit my sink, my shower. These quick connect fittings are apparently for overseas. So you will need a wash machine hose, some washers, and like I said, it depends on how you're going to hook this up. You could hook it up to an outside faucet if you have an outside faucet, which we don't, and put this thing outside and cover it up. It's a really good wash machine, extremely powerful. Alright, I will be back, maybe, so you can see it, draining and spinning. But since this video is getting a little long, usually all I do is I just let it run through the normal cycle, and I just normally hang it outside. I normally don't spin it, which you can, or I don't air dry it normally, which you can. It does help with drying, but right now outside it's nice, it's warm, so I really don't need to do that. In the middle of winter, it'd probably be a good idea if you have to hang clothes in the house to actually spin it and then air dry it, and it'll take a lot less time to dry. But I hope you enjoy my review on this. I hope you enjoy how to use this. There's not a lot of information online about the button configuration, about how to use it. So I hope this helps. I will have a parts list attached to the end of this video. And everybody have a good day. Okay, I'm back to show you how fast this drains. This is in our bathtub. Alright, it just started draining. I mean, look at this. There is water going up. Literally up. The hose hangs a little bit, and if I lift the hose up, more water comes out. But look at that. This is dirt from our clothes, most of it. Some of it, the color of it is from the fabric softener, but most of this is just from the wash. And this is on cold water. But look how high that raised. And look how long it's taken this bathtub to drain this. That's what I was saying. If you put this in your sink, it definitely will overflow. So either use your shower, and if you use a shower, unscrew the drain and stick the hose right down in the drain if possible, or pop the drain cap. Some of them just pry up. And stick the hose down in the drain if possible. That'll help keep it from backing up. If you're using a tub, it will back up. I don't know if you can see how high that water got at the water line. I don't know. Right there is the water line. So it got that high. So remember, if you're using one of these, Do not use a sink. Either use a bathtub, a shower, or drain it outside. Alright, everyone have a good one. Okay, earlier in this video I was talking about spinning it. This wash machine does have actually an automatic spin cycle. When I'm talking about spinning it, what I mean by is going down the numbers to the extra spin. As you can tell, this is spinning now. It's still on wash cycle. Sometimes when I use this, I come in here and of course you can see the water is just, and I raise this hose to make sure all the water gets out. And once again, you can see how much water this has. So when I talk about spinning it, what I'm actually talking about is once the wash is done, it's done spinning. You can hear it spinning. It has an automatic spin feature. But what I'm talking about is going through the controls and setting it on the extra 6-minute spin. I only use that if not all the water came out of the clothes, which is very rare. So I just wanted to clarify that. This washer does have actually an automatic spin cycle. So I just wanted to be clear on that. When I'm talking about spinning it earlier in the video, that is because I'm talking about the extra 6-minute spin. I rarely have to use that, if ever, since you can see it does spin automatically. I want you to understand, this is a gravity drain washer. Alright, I need to make that clear. A lot of people do buy these and don't understand these are gravity drain. Alright, this is a gravity drain washer. And it does have a spin cycle. It is an automatic wash machine. Basically, everything a large washer does, this does without the water pump to pump out the water. This does it with gravity drain. Alright, I just needed to clarify that because I do check my videos before I post them to make sure I didn't screw up. And apparently I screwed up when I talked about spinning it, because it does have an automatic spin. What I was talking about was the extra spin. Okay, and you can see it's going through, has 11 minutes left. It's going through another wash cycle, has 2 wash cycles I believe, in one load. It does not use a lot of water. It does not use a lot of power. Alright, I just needed to clarify that. Alright, thanks everybody. Okay, alright, the wash is done. Now first thing I do, that you should do, is empty this lint screen. Okay, you can see stuff in there. Let me set this down. Now it's really important to empty your lint screen after every use so it doesn't get too full, and put it back before you even unload your washer. That way you don't forget. Then I'm going to come in here, turn off my water, and you can see not a whole lot of water is coming out of there until I go up here and I turn it back on shower. Alright, and once again I'm going to show you right here. This right here unscrews from the other part. And I'll just lay the hose down in the washer, let it drain, and it leaves that half. Alright, there you go. Right, our load is done. All this was washed in one load. So you can see it holds quite a bit. Alright, that's it for this. Hope you enjoy it. Hope this helps you make a good decision if you want to buy a portable washer. And everybody have a good day. Hi, this is Chris again, and I'm going to show you what we needed to get to hook up our portable wash machine. Now the washer we purchased is a Costway. We paid $199.59 with free shipping off of eBay. It's a gravity fed washer. Okay. It is the portable wash machine, washer, small automatic, 1.87 cubic foot with 12 pounds, and it has the spin feature. And here's a closer up picture of it. Alright, we also bought the 3-year Square Trade extended warranty for it. These cheap washers only come with like a 90-day warranty, so we bought the 3-year extended warranty. Now here is what I had to buy extra. I did buy this off of eBay. It is a 3-way brass chrome shower combo head diverter, 1/2 inch. There's a picture of it. Okay. This stuff I bought at different places. Ace Hardware is basically where I bought most of the stuff, but this is the other stuff you're going to need if you decide to get one of these portable washers. It does come with hoses, but they have a quick connect fitting that will not fit anything here. I believe they fit overseas faucets, but you're going to need one of these. It doesn't matter where you buy it, Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot, order it off of eBay, whatever. You need 1/2 inch PVC Schedule 40 Union. Okay. And what those do is, this will screw on to your shower head diverter with a connector, and your hose will screw on here with a connector, and you just unscrew it here, and so you can hook up your shower and leave your shower hooked up, hook up your washer and everything else when you need it. This is one of the parts that needs to go on it. This will screw into the part you just saw, and your water hose screws on here. That's a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch threaded male hose adapter fitting. Okay. Of course, you're not going to definitely need washers. When you put a regular wash machine hose on one of these portable washers, then it takes 2 hoses to keep the hose tight. And if you have to hook 2 hoses together, you'll definitely need another washer or 2. So, let's see. And plumber's tape you're going to need for anywhere you have a metal fitting. And, of course, hoses. If your drain is close to the wash machine, it does come with certain things like a drain hose. It comes with a cheap plastic connect hose, I believe. But anything that has a decent length to it, you'll definitely have to have a hose for it. You know, like any other wash machine. Alright, here, this stuff you are only going to need if you have to go quite a ways away, and if you have a bathtub. To raise your washer up, you're going to need either some kind of shelf you build, or like one of these 4-tier plastic freestand shelves. We bought ours at Lowe's. I will show the wash machine, what I did with it. If you watch my other video with the washer, you can see it, and it was like $17. But like I say, you can just build something out of plywood and, 2x4s, whatever, if you need to raise it up. And of course, a drain hose. Now, the wash machine does come with like a 3-foot drain hose. If you're draining into a shower, or you're really close to where you're draining it, if you have a bathroom big enough, even if you have a bathtub to where this can sit next to the bathtub, raised up, and drain in the tub, you will not need this. Alright. This is a brass 3/4 inch to 3/4 inch threaded male adapter. What this is used for is to hook 2 wash machine hoses together. And again, you will only need this if you're a good distance away and you have to run 2 hoses. And we're back to the washer. Okay, now let me show you the washer real quick. I apologize for the quality of this. My little video camera just stinks. I will try to get as good of a shot as I can. Alright, there's our washer. And there's the shelf. And as you can see, the shelf is like in half in the two pieces. So there's 4 pieces of shelf here, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. It is one of these shelves. And once again, you're only going to need the shelf if you have to raise it up to drain in a bathtub. In my other video, I will show you how to hook it up, how to use it. Until then, see you later.